guys, it's Sava with SOS Kitchen, and today we're making chicken satay with a peanut dipping sauce. I've been searching for a good recipe for this iconic Thai/Malay dish for a while, and I've finally come up with one that is just as good as the stuff you buy on the street. Try it out and let me know what you think. As always, the recipe and ingredients will be in the description box below. To get started, you're going to need some chicken cut into about inch and a half cubes. I prefer dark meat because it stays juicy and tender, but you can also use white meat if you want. Just be careful about overcooking. To the chicken, we're going to add a good amount of freshly cracked black pepper, along with some brown sugar and sliced garlic. Add some lemon juice, coriander, cumin, and turmeric. The turmeric is what gives this chicken its color. Here I'm adding salt, pour in a bit of coconut milk, soy sauce, and fish sauce, and mix everything together. Make sure all the chicken is well coated in the marinade, and then put a lid on it and put the chicken in the fridge to marinate for at least 2 hours and up to overnight. While the chicken is marinating, we're going to make a delicious peanut dipping sauce to go along with the satay. Finally, mince a clove of garlic and a bit of ginger. In a pan over medium heat, add it in with a tiny bit of vegetable oil and cook it, stirring for about a minute or two. Add in the coconut milk, brown sugar, and peanut butter, and then I gave it a little stir. Sambal, fish sauce, and soy sauce also go in, and once everything is in the pan, give it a stir and let everything simmer together until the peanut butter is melted and the sauce is relatively smooth. Squeeze in some lime and take the sauce off the heat. I poured my sauce into this little jar, and needless to say, it wasn't very easy. Things got messy, but I handled it and then put the sauce to the side. Once your chicken is marinated, we're going to get it onto some wooden skewers. Especially if you're grilling this outside, make sure you soak your skewers first. I live in New York City and have no outdoor space, so I'm going to cook this on the stove, but this would be awesome on the grill too. Skewer your chicken 2 to 3 pieces per skewer and continue it on until all of it's done. I'm using a grill pan today because it's easier to cook the skewers, but do what you have to do to get this chicken in your mouth. Add a bit of oil and heat your pan over medium-high heat. When your pan is hot, add your skewers, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. We want nice caramelization and burnt bits on the chicken, and that won't happen if it's all squeezed in there too closely. Cook your chicken on either side for about 3 minutes until you can see nice burnt bits, and then turn the heat down and cook it for another 2 or 3 minutes total until your chicken is fully cooked through. This satay turned out so good, I was really impressed with myself. It tastes just like those delicious skewers you get on the sidewalk or at your favorite Thai restaurant. Try out this recipe. It's a great one for summertime grilling or just when you're feeling for some super juicy, flavorful chicken. Let me know how it turns out, and thanks for cooking with me again. Please subscribe to the channel for weekly videos with me. See you next time. Bye.